video was a request. Peppa Pig get grounded. Get it! I'm not letting you to get away. You don't have me. Peppa pressed the button at school and blew up the school and get grounded. Hi, Clark. I'm angry, and today we're doing some math. Lisa, what do you want? I'll be wanting you if you want to take me for Donald and KFC. No! Just go home! Okay, I got Doodle. What do you want? Oh man, I got a need. Is that the blue button? What is it? I don't know where I can do it. What do we have to run if you do not press the button? Well, maybe I can try. Wait, no! Oh no! Bing, 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 whoa! How dare you blow down? That's it. You want spell? Go on now. I hate this guy so much. What's the news? Breaking news. Peppa blow up the house. Peppa's gonna be in some trouble when we get back home. Hey, Dad. What are you doing on hurry? You're not supposed to do that. Whoa, I got a spell. Say what? Wait, do this time. I pressed the button at school and then I blow up the house.